Struggling to find the best hand mixers electric models that won't burn out on thick cookie dough? I bought and personally tested 5 of the absolute top-rated options on the market. Let's look at how they actually perform when whipping, mixing, and beating.
Product number 1, Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. When I first held this unit, the lightweight plastic frame felt very balanced and the handle offered a surprisingly secure grip. I put it to work making a heavy batch of chocolate chip cookies during my kitchen testing. My favorite part is the dedicated pulse function on the lowest speed. It gives you incredible control, completely stopping dry flour from exploding all over your clean countertops when you first turn it on. The snap-on storage case holds the beaters and the included whisk perfectly, keeping my cabinets entirely clutter-free. It has plenty of peak power to drive through thick mixtures without dragging or making a high-pitched whining noise. If you want a reliable daily kitchen partner that keeps all its parts organized in one tiny footprint, this budget-friendly model is a wonderful choice. If you prefer iconic style backed by absolute precision speed control, this next choice is stellar.
Product number 2, KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer. Unboxing this beautiful device, the premium matte finish and solid heavy-duty build quality immediately stood out. During testing, I was incredibly impressed by the swivel core design. It safely locks into either the left or right side of the machine, keeping the power cable completely out of your workspace, whether you are right or left-handed. I used the stainless steel turbo beaters to whip up heavy cream, and they cut through the liquid flawlessly without clumping or spraying droplets everywhere. The sliding speed control is incredibly smooth to adjust with just your thumb while mixing. It operates much quieter than most cheap alternatives, delivering a smooth hum instead of a harsh rattle. For passionate home bakers who want legendary, long-lasting durability paired with a highly precise motor, investing in this iconic brand is a smart move. However, if your culinary adventures require serious power for heavy bread doughs, look at this next model.
Product number 3, Cuisinart Power Advantage Hand Mixer. Lifting this sleek machine, the brushed chrome housing felt exceptionally solid, like a professional piece of culinary gear. When I put it through its paces, the automatic feedback feature really shined. It automatically senses thick mixtures and boosts power instantly, so the motor never bogs down or struggles. The smooth start feature begins spinning at an ultra-slow pace before ramping up to your selected speed, keeping your kitchen completely spotless. I used the included dough hooks to knead homemade pizza dough, and it powered through the sticky mass without overheating at all. The clear snap-on case stores the extra-long beaters, chef's whisk, and spatula cleanly beneath the main motor body. If you are an advanced cook who handles everything from delicate meringues to heavy batters, this versatile 9-speed powerhouse is worth every penny. If you are a casual baker looking for maximum utility while spending as little as possible, check this out.
Product number 4, OVENTE 5-Speed Corded Electric Hand Mixer. Holding this incredibly lightweight model, I was pleased by how comfortable and ergonomic the slender body felt in my hand. Weighing under 2 pounds, it prevents your wrist from getting tired during long mixing sessions. I tested it out making a fluffy batch of mashed potatoes for dinner. The one-touch slide control made shifting between the 5 distinct speeds effortless, and the eject button popped the chrome attachments out safely without any sticky jamming. It comes with its own compact snap-on storage base that holds the cord and attachments neatly together in your pantry. While it isn't meant for heavy bread baking, it handles everyday tasks like box cakes and pancake batter with total ease. If you want a simple, space-saving tool for quick kitchen tasks on a tight budget, this value option is an absolute steal. Finally, if you want massive raw wattage at a highly competitive price point, this last option delivers.
Product number 5, Lord Eagle Hand Mixer. Feeling the weight of this industrial-style mixer, the stainless steel accents felt rugged and built to take some serious abuse. Testing it out with a dense brownie batter, the 400-watt motor provided a massive amount of torque right out of the gate. It features a unique turbo boost button that instantly jumps to maximum speed whenever you hit a stubborn patch of unmixed ingredients. The fast heat dissipation vents along the body kept the internal components running remarkably cool, even after 5 minutes of continuous high-speed beating. It comes packed with traditional beaters and dough hooks, offering a ton of versatility for weekend meal prep. If you want maximum raw mixing power without paying premium brand prices, this heavy-duty workhorse wraps up our list beautifully. It brings exceptional muscle to any countertop.
Every option here matches different budget and baking needs perfectly. Grab the high-speed models for professional dough kneading, or stick with the lightweight compact units to save cash and drawer space. Check the description links for current pricing and upgrade your kitchen today.